YouTubers, this is my review of the front face megapixel camera of the G Stylo for T-Mobile. This is the 5 megapixel front view camera. As you can tell, it's truly awesome. You guys, some footage of Mother Nature, what's better than that, and also some footage of me, as you can see. This camera also has a front face zoom, which a lot of people don't know. Let's give a little zoom here. Okay. Right behind me. Yeah, you can zoom in, zoom out. Cool, huh? This is by using the front face. And also, it has the HDR. If you want to get the high definition reduction, noise reduction, a lot of features. And what's better than to look at than me? You can use selfies also if you want to take a picture. I just did. Try another one. Another one. It's 2 pictures I just took while you're actually filming. But this is the LG G Stylo front face cam, and it is 5 megapixels. Truly awesome. As you can see the background, I'll give you guys an example of the zoom once again. And zoom out. There you go. And this is Kendrick signing off. I will see you guys in the next video. Later.